Well, hello, welcome to my humble abode. So we are here at the Hyatt House here in Anaheim, California. Shout out to the bartender, we did get this on happy hour. This is the room though, so we got a standard room. This is the restroom, the bathroom, the loo. You got a nice mirror. I will say this one is way better than the one at Huntington. There's just some bad thing about the ends, but I'm not gonna be picky about that, even though I am. You got a nice shower, tub. It is spacious. We've stayed in smaller before, so this is, and it's gonna be shared between us two and then Mom and Jaden, which is my little brother. So we're super excited to see them. They're about an hour out right now. We have a nice mirror right here, so you can check your fit for the park before you leave. And then we have a closet that is very, very small. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because of the safe, we really couldn't put our luggage there, but they do have the luggage rack right here. So we are gonna be bringing that out to put our suitcase on top of it. But yeah, as far as the closet goes, this is really all that you get. You do get like an extra pillow right here, which is nice. You got your iron, a lot of hangers, and then your ironing board, so Mom's gonna love that. And again, you're safe. So we did get a king bed. We have not tested this bed out yet. We will do that here shortly. They do have some nice little art going on. I love the look. It's like modern. We have our microwave up here, which is really nice because if we have any leftovers, then we can warm them up. That's the one thing that Angel and I, even at Disney World hotels, we struggle with, because not all of them have microwaves. If you have leftovers and you're not wanting to order food, we usually have to walk down and they'll warm it up for us. So it's really nice that we have this in here. We also have our instant coffee. We got some coffee mugs, nice little instant coffee. What is this? Tea. And of course, bottle opener, wine opener. And then we got some wine glasses. And then we also have, this does not come with the room. This was from our other hotel. But we also have our wine, because we did not drink it. We did not dip into it. But you also have like a little chiller in here. Not a refrigerator, a chiller. And then you have your TV. Oh, sorry, my bag. The drawers though, I will say, are nice. They are like somewhat deep. They're small, but they're deep. So it'll do the job for us. You have a cute little shelf right here. And then you have this one at the bottom. Oops. So this one doesn't close all the way, but again, that's okay. We have a little nook area, well not nook, but desk, shelving, so we're definitely going to be utilizing all of this space. And then we have a sofa right here, and then we also have a double, a twin size bunk. Now I did check with my mom. This is actually what she wanted, because if my Angel can go this way, we actually have some privacy. Oops, shoot. So she was just like, if we watch TV in here, or you guys are ready to go to bed, or we're not, or vice versa, like we can actually just have a little bit of privacy between. Oh my God, we're gonna have to cut this out. We do have a sunshade. So our view is actually, I don't even know how to use this. Boom, look at it, I'm a fast learner. We have a view of the garden walk. What? Yeah. And then if you look over here, the pan to the right, that is a Disneyland parking. Now, here's what I will tell you. This is just me coming from, this is just me. I don't know if anybody spoke on this or not, but you have to remember that this is a very family-friendly hotel. It's a good neighbor hotel for Disney. And as a result, you can hear everybody or the kids jumping and running above you, if there's anybody above you. I guess it's taking me back to my apartment, giving me apartment vibes right now. So I don't know if anybody's ever said that or put that on there, but you can hear them running and jumping like right now. Not a big deal. If it is a big deal for you, maybe not stay here. At other hotels, it hasn't really been like an issue and it's fine, but yes. Then we have the TV to the left, which is right here. Actually, I don't know if it's a smart TV or not. I didn't even look that up. And it's LG, so yes. And then you also have some more like, you have a dresser with some drawers. So, yeah. So honestly, not bad. It's perfect for us. Sharing it with Mom. I'm super excited to see them tonight. So Nadia and Jesus are here too, but they're staying at a different hotel. Unfortunately, I've had a lot going on, and I initially booked us at the Lulu. We will stay there eventually, but I was going through and I was reading reviews, and I know that they were having some like water issues a few weeks ago, and which was like 2 weeks ago, and I didn't want a chance not having water because again they're doing renovations. Nothing against the Lulu or anything like that, but that's why we ended up staying here. So we do want to end up going over there at some point, but as far as like the Hyatt place, can you hear them? I don't know if you can hear. So if you hear anything, it's them running around and thumping around. And it's fine because I have nieces and nephews. So for me, it's fine. It's like being at my brother's house. So we're good. But yeah, so I did. Oh, so downstairs, they do have happy hour between the hours of 5 and 7 p.m. They also have a World Series menu going on right now, which we did not partake in. Angel and I have been trying to go to Tacos Los Cholos. We're going to end up doing that here pretty soon with Zenaida and Jesus. But we did get these drinks on happy hour. There is a Walgreens and a Starbucks that's like connected to the hotel, which is going to be nice. So we'll be able to get our Starbucks in the morning and drink it while heading to the park. If you don't know what Starbucks is, Starbucks. There's a Chubby's Dumplings. Is that what it's called? Chubby's Dumplings? So we have Chubby's Dumplings as well. I think it's Blaze Pizza is also downstairs. Now we did pay for, this is the one thing that I don't remember. We did book this through Priceline. Breakfast is included. Now I don't know if that's a higher price. That's what I can't remember for the life of me. I kind of panicked, booked it, but I made sure that we got the breakfast. So we'll take a video of that tomorrow morning because Angel's all about his breakfast. He partakes in that. So we're gonna head down there in the morning, get some breakfast, probably bring it back up to the room, and then hopefully they have some coffee down there because I can't do instant. But yeah. But that is the whole room tour. They do have some shelves underneath the nightstand too. So shelving is not an issue here. It's basically just like closet space. You can't really put anything underneath here either. Maybe if you have like a duffel bag, you can. Oh no, you can't because there's a thing right here. So under the bed is a no-go. Under the bunk bed, maybe if you have like a small little duffel, but I do like it too because there's no carpet. It's all tile. Or not tile, it's like that wood flooring, so yeah, but overall not too bad. We have a couple of nicks and stuff like that, but I mean that's all cosmetic stuff. It's not a big deal. So what do you think, babe?
Love it.
It's cute, huh?
It's cute. The design, the way the bed is, with the bunk beds, that's great. Like you can sleep. Parents could sleep here. Kids could sleep in a bunk bed. They're on the TV with dressers and everything. The TV, sofa. Yeah. Have our own TV. Kids have their own TV.
And this does slide out into
another bed.
Yeah.
So literally, you have 3 beds here, which another probably like a full-size bed right there.
Mm-hmm. No,
Excellent. So
I'm pretty sure I think that's queen.
Right, queen. So 1, 2, 3, 4 kids here. They have their own little TV. We got Nickelodeon playing right now. Peppa Pig. Yeah, Peppa Pig. Can't go wrong with that.
This is.
That's Peppa Pig right there. Peppa Pig.
Yeah, so it's not
Then
too
the
bad.
kids can watch the TV. We can watch ours. Bad thing about it is the closet. I give it a closet like a negative, because just a little door with a closet. But the bathroom's nice and spacious. I love it. I love it. Bathroom's nice and spacious. You got a nice tub. Like if you have kids and you just take a bath, you got a tub. Most hotels don't have the tub. You got a tub. There's everything here. Nice and spacious. You can put makeup here and do her makeup. Hair dryer. You get a little mat. Make sure no one slips or falls.
There you go.
Little mat there.
Oh, and they did let us know that they do have housekeeping coming in every other day. So if you do want your
More.
yeah, if
you
you need
gotta let them know.
correct, if you need it done more often than
The only
every
thing
other
about
day,
this
then
room I really disagree on. The closet should be a little bigger.
yeah,
So look, for a room like this, you can have a lot of clothes, a lot of luggage and everything. Closet should be a little bigger.
yeah,
So the thing.
Yeah.
You got the shelves here. Then you got a privacy door. You got everything here with a desk.
the way that the colors
It's
of
nice.
and this is not a Disney hotel. This is a good neighbor hotel.
It's a good neighborhood. So
But the way
I love that picture right there. You got the waves here, and then you have the picture of the pier.
yeah. The way the color palette is, though, doesn't it remind you of Coronado Springs a little bit? Not the layout. I'm just talking about the color scheme, not the same amenities or anything like that. Literally, just the color scheme is similar.
Let's see. I'm like 5 foot, probably like 5'5", 5'6". Let's see. Oh look, a good human could sleep.
Oh yeah.
Good.
How's the bed though?
Yeah. Oh, soft.
It's so soft.
I go in there. You have the space. Like, you get up. Still have space.
Yeah.
It's good.
Now the other thing is, this is the only light in here. So
Yes, that's the only like.
this is it.
But
But again, like, you know, I mean, you could still see
you know,
it's not a
you
big
can
deal.
come in, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're ready, go to sleep, take a shower, go to sleep, and go to bed. You're not worried about no light.
Right.
So the place to
So
sleep is excellent. That place is beautiful.
we went to the beach today. We're in love with the beach right now.
Yeah.
All right, but we'll show you the rest of the hotel in a little bit.
I'm about to vote for Pumpkin. Vote for him. Right back.